All right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use tab stacking in Vivaldi. So I'm on Google and I just searched for Vivaldi and I'm going to open the first few links that I see. So I'm going to right click and click open a new tab. So as you can see, a new tab has been created. Let's open this one as well. And as I keep opening, eventually this part will be filled with different tabs. It is not that good for organizing your tabs. So the best way to do it is by using stacks. So to use stacks, click here, go to settings, click tabs, and scroll down a bit. So over here, tab features. These are all the tab stacking options. Now, I have tried this one and this one. I liked this one before, but when I started using this one, it eventually became the default one for me. So I'm going to show you how both of them work. I'll click level 2 and then I'll head back to this main page. And now if I right click on a link, open a new tab, you see now that the tab was not created here. It has now been brought down here. I'll click this one as well, open a new tab. You can see that it is down here. This one as well. So all the links are now down here. So I can create a new tab here. And instead of having 4 tabs filling this whole place, I have a group of tabs that has 4 tabs in it. There's a new tab over here, and I can start doing something else. This one, I can also make it a group and have as many tabs inside this tab. So if I click here, I'll be able to navigate all the tabs that I opened. So this is how the two-step method looks like. Let's check out the other one. I head to tabs, scroll down a bit. Okay, it's 2-level, not 2 steps. This is the one that I was using before. So let's select this one. And you can see now that the tabs are no longer down here. Instead, they are up here. Now, this one is good if you don't have a lot of tabs opened, because if you open many tabs, then it's going to get very small for you to click. But right now, you can click on any of the white tabs that you see to select them. So if you have multiple tabs in one group of tabs, then it's going to be a bit annoying to navigate through them by clicking. So you can also use this one if you want, but for me, I have stopped using this one. And then we have the third one. I don't use this one that much because it still fills up the top part of the browser, so that's why I don't use it. So I would recommend you go for the 2-level method, and you can click here to include the first method that I showed you, like including the compact method if you want to try both of them. So you can click here to navigate, or you click the bottom tabs to navigate. Okay, so one more thing you need to know. Let's say you have a tab here and you want to put it inside this one. Head over to settings and make sure allow stacking by dragging and dropping enabled. So after enabling this, I believe that's what you need to enable. It's always been enabled since I installed the browser. All you need to do is just click and hold and then drag into this group. You can see now that the group is now highlighted blue, so you can drop it inside. So now if I click here, you can see that the tab has been brought here. And you can also take it out as well. So it's no longer part of this group of tabs. So that's how you use tab stacking in Vivaldi. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Ask me any questions you may have. Take care and bye-bye.